this is a pineapple. Before we do that though, I'm gonna start over. Am I even talking about anything? Hey guys, it's Rachel P, and today I'm gonna show you how to cut a pineapple. It's really easy, but first I'm gonna show you how to pick one that's nice and ripe. All you have to do is pluck one of these little inside stems, and if it comes off super easy, you've got a nice ripe pineapple. Obviously you don't want one that's super mushy or that has any mold on the bottom, because then it's too ripe or it's starting to go bad, but that little trick right there will tell you if the ones that are kind of green on the outside are actually ripe on the inside. So first thing we're gonna do is cut off this big annoying top that's getting in our way. So you're just gonna use a chef's knife and cut the top off. You want to make sure that you get a nice clean edge, so if you don't cut enough off, just cut another little ring. And we're going to cut the bottom off. Same kind of thing. You want to see all the pineapple, you don't want any of that stuff. Just going to keep making a mess on the countertop. So now you have this, and we're going to cut shavings off the outside. So you want to cut as little of the actual fruit off as you can while still getting off all of the outside. So I'm just going to do that all the way around. The only problem is we still have all of these little dots or little eyelets, and so we're gonna get rid of those using a paring knife. You can use a chef's knife, it's just sometimes it's a little bit easier to get in there and do the detail work. When you look at this pineapple, if you go down in a diagonal, there's gonna be one way that you can see the lines, but they're not as clear cut, and then there's gonna be one perfectly parallel 45-degree diagonals. Those are the ones that we're gonna cut. Just gonna kind of set it down on its side, and you're gonna go in with a slant on one side and then straight. And we're just gonna do that, connecting 2 dots each time. We're just gonna kind of go around and do that until you get all these little stripes in your pineapple. You don't actually have to cut these little eyelets out, but the texture's not very pleasant. They're kind of gross. A lot of people don't like them. Now we've got all of our little eyes out. Now we're gonna take out the core, which is that chewy part in the middle. The core is edible, but it is a little bit tougher and chewier. Not everybody likes it. So I'm just gonna cut this into quarters. And then each one, I'm just gonna carefully stand up, and you're gonna cut about a 1/4-inch triangle off the middle. And that's all that the core is. And then you can cut it into little wedges. If you wanted to keep this whole and cut rings, they do make pineapple coring tools. You can't really get in there with a knife and cut that little circle out. So technically pineapple is a summer fruit, but we usually get them in the United States from tropical countries. So you're gonna get a pretty decent one no matter when you buy it, but they're better in the summer. For more tips and recipes, check out my website, JoyFullFoods.com. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and click right now to subscribe for more videos. Oh, that's good. That was a good pineapple. Bye.